Hi, welcome to my next video. So today I thought I'd show you guys our new apartment. We just moved here about a month ago into downtown Hamilton. So it's a really cool apartment and it's really big. So I thought I'd show you guys around. So you walk in, this is the living room. Two big couches, got the TV, got the nice street view. Then over here we have like my jam space. Then we walk over here to the dining room. This nice classic is my childhood home. Seat 6. Then you come over here, you got a nice window out to the driveway. And then you walk down this hallway. And then you turn left. And this is the where the real magic happens, in the kitchen. So we're coming into the kitchen here. This is our table. We made this in Halifax. Pretty cool to have a place where you need 2 tables. And then we got this cool bench off Kijiji for like 20 bucks. And then this is the shelf where we put some of our cookbooks. Some of my favorites are definitely this one here, this Vegetarian India one. All the recipes I've made from there have been like unreal and super unique recipes. These other ones are pretty good too. This vegan cheese one, this cheese is nuts one is pretty good, from Julie Pyatt, Rich Roll's wife. And then here we just put up these shelves just a couple days ago. I have 4 shelves. These are like our everyday use stuff. So we got our spices, oatmeal, tea down here, coffee, wooden spoons. And then up here we have like stuff we don't use all the time, like dried beans, pasta, some empty growlers, our pasta maker. And then here's the knife block magnet thing. We just got that at Kijiji, really easy to install. Okay, so I'm gonna go in a little bit more detail here. This is a bread knife. Pretty self-explanatory, it's for cutting bread. It's serrated, and you want a long one because you'll need less strokes when you're slicing the bread. And then the 2 beside it are 2 chef knives. One with the blue handle is what I got when I first went to school. Pretty low quality knife. It's a big blade, which can be intimidating, but you get used to it. And then this brown handle one is a little bit of a better chef knife. And I use that one more often because the handle and the knife blade is more suited to my hands. I have pretty small hands. And then this one is a Miracle Blade Perfection Series. This is actually for filleting fish, but we don't do that over here. So this is just another good serrated knife. And bought that off an infomercial. That's like the only thing my family's ever bought off TV. And then we have like 3-4 paring knives. These 2 are like pretty crappy. This one's okay. This one is not really a paring knife. It's more of like a small utility knife. And this one is a small serrated knife. It's mostly used for tomatoes and like vegetables with like kind of a tougher skin. And then since it's magnetic, we just put magnetic tongs up there just to have them for easy access. And then I can give more of a kitchen tour at a later date, but pretty easy. This is our stove here. Cutting board that my brother made for me, pretty sick. Some pepper, salt, garlic. And then we have 2 sinks, which is pretty unique. Most apartments when you rent, you get like 1 sink and it's like kind of small and awkward. So this is pretty sweet that we have 2. And then we just have some more basic appliances down here. Toaster, coffee grinder, blender, stuff like that. And then up here, the small fermentation station. So just got some kombucha brewing up there. And then this is some old scobies. If you guys are interested in buying one or just taking one of my scobies and you live in Hamilton, definitely comment below and I'll just give you one. Every time you brew a batch of kombucha, it makes a new SCOBY. So yeah. And then up here, this is like you walk in that way and you see the shelf there. That's where we just keep like our pantry stuff. And then we have some sweet like art up here. There's like a chili pepper poster, some art that Don did, some bottles of Cristal. And yeah, and down here we have like our menu. This is great for like keeping yourself organized and keeping yourself on budget. We basically write down what we want to eat every day for dinner, and we basically just buy those ingredients and we make those things and then we eat that, and we don't have to buy useless ingredients that we probably would end up throwing out or composting. And then we have our grocery list right here. Pretty small for now because we actually just went grocery shopping. But if you guys are interested in seeing what I get at a grocery shop, just to comment below and we can definitely make that happen. And then here's like a pretty dark hallway because this light bulb was burnt out. The ceilings are very high. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but they're like 12 feet high ceilings and we don't have a ladder. So we can't really change that light bulb until my dad comes to the ladder. So we're coming down this hallway here. And then it changes back into nice hardwood. And then this is our bedroom. It's the master bedroom. So we got the bed, closet, couch, window, pretty standard stuff. Got a dresser here, a mirror, bedside table. Then we have a window with our Frolf discs. If you don't know what Frolf is, you should look it up. It's pretty fun. Window out to our backyard where our car is parked. And then we have a storage closet with just tools, laundry detergent, broom and stuff like that. And then we have our guest bedroom. Kind of messy, kind of the only room that's not really organized. Our guest bedroom / yoga studio. Where I keep my 2 bikes. There's my commuter bike. And there's my Roadster. And then we built this yoga shelf. Just off like YouTube pretty much. My yoga mats, these like kind of cool lights that Don got off IKEA. And then here's our Sage setup. Not sponsored by Sage, but if you guys want to help us out, you can definitely shoot me an email. We love Sage products. And we have our little yoga lamp. And we have some business cards here for like the guests that are staying over. If they want to hire like a chef or someone to help them out with their food and trying to eat healthier, you can just go to that email address and shoot me an email or a phone call, and we can go from there. All the stuff will be linked below. There's a lava lamp that doesn't work. Yep, leaving the guest room here into the bathroom. Like I said, pretty big apartment. This is one of the key parts of our bathroom is we have 2 medicine cabinets and 2 mirrors, so I can use this one in the corner, and then Don gets to use like the VIP status one with the sink. And there's our bath mat. And the problem with this bathroom is it doesn't have a fan, so we always got to open that window to let the steam out when you're having a shower. And there's our bathroom essentials, Sudstorium. If you're from Toronto, GTA, Ontario, you don't use Sudstorium, look them up. They're all natural soap and shampoo product line. And we've been using them for years. And then we're walking back down the hallway, back into the spot. How do you stop recording? And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick tour of our house. And because of this epic kitchen that we now have, there's gonna be I'm gonna be back to the schedule of 1 to 2 videos a week, cooking up epic meals and epic vidsters for you guys. And yeah, possibly starting with like a grocery haul, like a kind of breakdown of like my spice setup, and then some more like kind of recipe style videos. If you guys are into that, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks. Oh, this little one?